Where's your little brother? Well, he's younger than you, but he's a big boy. Where is he? Huh? You looking for him? He went to the vet. He went to the vet. He'll be home soon. Who's here? Oh my goodness. Where's the big boy at? Where's Creampuff? Peaches! Oh, who's here? Oh, she's excited. Peach! Come here. Guess what? Oh, she loves you. Where's Creampuff? Creampuff should come in soon. Oh, she loves you. She loves you. She's so excited. Hey. Look who's here! Look who's out here. Look who's out here. Look who's looking for you. Look right here. Look. There he is.
You're home. You're home. Mommy.
Yay.
You're home. You're home.
Hi, big boy. Hi, big boy. Hi.
18 and a half pounds.
Wow. There's a big boy. 8 weeks old, almost 20 pounds. You're gonna be a big boy, huh?
Peaches, I love you, Peaches.
Aww.
I love you, Peaches.
Peaches and cream. Two little cuties. Peaches, you waste no time, huh? Oh my goodness. She's so hyper, huh? What's this? You guys just love tearing things up, huh? So cute. Oh. He's a big boy. Look at this little girl right here. She's so cute. Where you going, big boy? Oh, he's gonna get you, Colin. Oh, he's got your dinosaurs. He's got your dinosaurs. Here, here's your dinosaur. Time to take a nap. You wore out. You wore him out. Ah. Get her, Cream. Get her, Cream. Come on, Peach, just get up.